Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Atlas. I am changing things up a little bit, so if you guys don't see anything in Bitcoin and Ethereum, I actually did a separate video on that. I'm trying to condense these videos down and just organize my channel a little bit more, get you guys the information more directly to the point and save you guys a bunch of time. So if you guys are interested in the Bitcoin Ethereum news, feel free to check out my other video I did today. So today's video I'm doing Decentraland, aka Mana, as well as I'm going to go ahead and cover Orchid, OXT, as the little bonus crypto that we always tend to keep on this channel. I know we built up a community with that. It's my favorite crypto and I like to talk about it. So, that's the secondary one. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button as well. Let's try and get this video to at least 100 likes. Click on the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the latest cryptocurrency news and technical analysis. And let's go ahead and get into this, right? So over on the Twitterverse, right? We actually have some big news going on with Decentraland. So there's actually now a casino that's coming. This is an Atari casino. If you guys want to check me out, I'm at Atlas Official TV, bottom right here. You guys can go ahead and check that out. They went ahead and shared this, and this news just like really blew up. So this is actually on another website, Decentral Games to launch crypto-based Atari casino on Decentraland. The so-called Atari casino will be developed on the Ethereum blockchain by Decentral Games and will provide 88% of its profit to the DG Treasury. Decentral Games has partnered with Atari to launch a cryptocurrency-based casino next month on the blockchain-based virtual reality platform Decentraland, Decentral Games said in a blog post on March 8th. The so-called Atari Casino will be developed on the Ethereum blockchain by Decentral Games, with Atari providing the license to its branding, and will feature a number of Atari-themed games. In the casino, which will include games of luck and games combining skill and luck, players will be able to spend Decentraland's native token, Mana, as well as DAI and the newly added Atari token, ATRI, to play games and earn Decentral Games' native token, DG, Decentral Games said in the blog post. By combining our expertise in building crypto casinos with Atari's decades of experience in developing video games, we are excited for our community to immerse themselves in an innovative and new gaming experience. This sounds really cool. Once launched, the Atari Casino will provide 88% of its profits to the DG Treasury, allowing Decentral Games to continue developing exciting new features and share more rewards with our community. Decentral Games will also try to capitalize on the recent NFT frenzy during the launch of the casino by giving away exclusive NFT prizes during the launch event next month. Last month, Atari entered into a strategic partnership with Polygon to leverage the platform's Layer 2 solution and improve the scalability of its Atari token. The game developer also plans to use the low-cost ecosystem to explore the minting of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other token-related products. Wow, that is some serious moves going on with them. And in regards to Orchid, couple quick notes for you guys. This one's a little bit of older news, but they're kind of talking about it still. Bloomberg Terminal, a platform that allows professional traders to monitor and analyze real-time financial market data, has added price tracking for 6 new cryptocurrencies, according to an announcement shared with Decrypt today. These new coins are Orchid, OXT, Omisgo, and Network, OMG, EOS, Chainlink, Link, Tezos, XTZ, and Stellar Lumens, XLM. So again, you got OXT, OMG, EOS, Link, XTZ, XLM. The data itself will be provided by crypto indices platform CF Benchmarks, a subsidiary of crypto exchange Kraken that is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority. And there's also an upcoming summit for Orchid that'll take place on March 22nd, 2021. And this is about privacy. Edward Snowden will be a guest speaker on there. Very excited to see how that could potentially affect the price and what kind of news that they're going to be talking about with that. Okay. Now we head over to the charts and looking at Decentraland, aka Mana. It is looking like an ascending wedge pattern right here. So we do have the potential, just based on this kind of formation, of having a pullback and a bit of a drop. But the good news is that we're in a bull market with Bitcoin and with Ethereum. And because of all that craze, some of these technical indicators are not as substantiated. And on top of it, do keep in mind that we're in the upper quadrant section of this actual ascending wedge. So if we were a lower hand, then we would be still looking at potentially having that drop. it wouldn't be as strong because if Ethereum starts to really rally, this would probably reverse and start pushing itself up regardless. But based on this trend right now, it's almost on the verge of breaking out of this resistance anyway. So this isn't something too much of a worry for us, okay? So do keep that in mind. We're still bullish on this overall, right? We got plenty of other indicators, like we're above the 21 EMA, for example, and we're close to the next level zone for this of the Fibonacci sequence and on that level of resistance period, and the technical radar is also suggesting as a buy, okay? Now, some of the negative elements of this is that we did have our RSI cross over into the overbought territory, but again, we're in this bullish market, and the RSI is one of those indicators that just kind of starts to fall off to the side. When things really start pushing heavy, then of course, because this is a lagging indicator, so wouldn't be too worried about that, okay? And I mean, ultimately, those are the only couple of things that are bad at the moment. We got 3 days of candles that are green, some really good news with Mana. This sounds like it's going good. So let's take a look at our levels. Resistance at 55 cents or 0.5587. Another level up above that is going to be at 58 cents, 0.5818. Another level up above that is going to be all the way up at 89 cents. Ooh, starting to look pretty darn good right now, right? Keep it going up past that. And we're going to hit, in this region zone, $1.20. Of course, we got to hit $1 first, but then $1.20, and then all the way up to $1.40. What do you guys think? You guys think the run to $1 is really starting to happen? Because it's looking like it's pushing that way, that's for sure. All right, and if this decides that it wants to go down, we're going to have some support first off here at 38 cents, or 0.3885. Another level dropped down below that is going to be at 36 cents roughly, or 0.3570. And then we have the 21 EMA, very close to that at 0.3436. And then this level support here at 33 cents or 0.3312. Okay, those are key levels. What's going on with Decentraland, aka Mana. You guys keep your eyes open for each one of those zones. If it starts to drop, we do have this space still to kind of work in between of. Okay, so overall, leaning bullish. I'm not a financial advisor. Please keep that in mind. So take everything as entertainment, whatever you want to call it. I'm not registered as a financial advisor, but I spend a lot of time looking at these things, and I really hope that they're helpful for you guys. And so then the next one we're going to take a look at is going to be Orchid. Now we take a look over at Orchid and how it's moving. This is actually a symmetrical triangle pattern, and we're getting very close to that point of a breakout in that key decision moment. And Orchid has this history of kind of consolidating, and then it decides that it wants to make a bit of a move, and then it consolidates for quite a while. And I think this thing is just like, it's a gem waiting to be found. And so right now it's back and forth on this resistance, as you guys can see, at 51 cents or 0.5186. If it breaks above, you got 58 cents. Next, 0.5802. Then we have 68 cents. A further level up above that is going to be at 79 cents. And then realistically, we go past 82 all the way up back to our previous all-time high of $1, right? And if this decides that it wants to go down, we do have support here at the 21 EMA at 50 cents. Another level drop down below that. It's going to coincide not only with the level of support, but with the Fibonacci sequence, and that's at 48 cents, 0.4803. Another drop down below that would actually put us into a bit of a bearish trend for sure, and that's going to be at 45 cents, 0.4508. But here's some more good news, okay? Volume is still pretty low, and we're seeing some rise increase going on here. Volume is starting to kick up just a little bit. When this thing pops, boom, it pops heavy. The RSI is still about in the 50 range, so it's more or less in a neutral zone. It has plenty of room to grow even from that technical stance. The technical radar is suggesting buy, so there's another good indicator there as well. And then here is the big promised land key. Take a look at this, guys. This line right here, the formation off of the symmetrical triangle pattern, if Orchid was to break out officially today, then we would be on this daily candle. And on that rise, look at where this takes us. It's just under $1, which was our all-time high. And this is suggesting that based on the symmetrical triangle pattern, if we take into account where we are currently at, where we were before, everything that had taken place in association with that, right? This looks plausible that we could see it very well have this next run up to test the $1 region zone once again. And then based on how the movement is there, we can reevaluate it and see if it looks like it's still on the potential of a continuation, breaking past $1, setting a new all-time high, or could we have some rejection and end up seeing it pull back down once again. But it is a really strong indicator suggesting that $1 is possible yet again. All right, guys, so that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So this is actually working out really well. This is another video that's right around 10 minutes. So if you guys are new to the channel, do not forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button as well. Let's try and get this video to at least 100 likes. Click on the bell icon so you know whenever there's a new video. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like the fact that I have these as separated videos, that it's a little bit more targeted for you guys for this news and stuff to each of these cryptos. Like the idea that it's kind of like a 2 crypto inclusion thing. I plan on doing another video here sometime soon of some altcoins that I have at the top of my list of what I think are sleeping giants that are looking like they're going to pop up. I might do some other videos kind of like that too. And I'm also doing things in regards to stocks now. So if you guys are interested in like AMC, GameStop, you guys want to know what's going on there, Rocket, I'm looking into that a lot more and I'm doing some videos on that too. I got some referral links if you guys want to use them. Coinbase, you got BlockFi, Webull, Robinhood. They're all in the description. Thank you guys so much for being here, being a part of this community, showing your support. I hope you like the new format, and I will see you in the next episode.